Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the square root of 3136 by long division method. So there are two methods for finding the square root of any number. One is the prime factorization method and the other one is the long division method. The long division method is used for large numbers. So let us start long division method for finding the square root of 3136. The first step here in finding the square root is to group the digits in pairs, starting with the digit in the units place. So the digit in the units place is 6. If we'll group the two digits from here, 36 is our one group and the other group is 31. So we have two groups, 31 and 36. So here we are not going to consider single digit, going to take group of a number at a time. The next step is completely optional. I am going to write the squares of few numbers here on the right hand side of the board so that it is helpful for us in our method. So 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36 and so on. Next step is to find the square number whose square is equal to 31 or just less than 31. So if we see the squares here, number 31 lies in between 25 and 36. So we are going to take 5 as our square number. So we are going to write 5 here in our divisor and 5 will be our quotient. So 5 times 5 will be 25 and we are going to subtract the two numbers. So 31 minus 25 will give us 6. The next step is to bring down the next group of numbers. So we are going to bring down 3 6 together here. Not only 3, we are going to bring 3 6 together. So our new dividend is 636. For finding the new divisor, we are going to add the same digit 5 to our initial divisor to get the digit of the new divisor. So now we have 1010 and one more digit we are going to add here, which we are going to find out in such a way that the product of this whole number with that digit gives the result equal to 636 or just less than 636. So let us find out that number. So 102 times 2 will be equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 0 is 0 and 2 times 2 times 1 is 2 equal to 204, which is way less than 636. As we have 6 in our units digit, let us take 4 cos 4 square is 6. So 104 times 4 is equal to 4 times 4 is 16. 1 is carried over. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 416. This is also less than 636. So let us take next number. So here we are going to get 6 in units place by using 6. So let's try 106 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6. 3 will be carried over. 6 times 0 is 0 plus 3 is 3. 6 times 1 is 6. 636. We got the exact number. So here we are going to annex 6 and our quotient will also be 6 cause 106 times 6 will give us 636. So now we are going to subtract the two numbers. Our remainder is 0. For the next divisor, we are going to add the same number. So 106 plus 6 will be 112. And as our remainder is 0, we are going to stop here. And the number in the quotient is the square root of 3136. So the square root of 3136 is 56. This is our final answer. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.